Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can read a text message without opening it on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, don't forget to put likes, write your comments. Let's get started. So, before we begin, you and I will need to open the messaging app on your phone. As you can see, I have some unread messages here. So how do we make sure that we don't open them to read them? So, the first option is to pinch our line with the message. And as you can see, we get a window like this. And we can fully read the message that came to us, but it remains unread. So, if you accidentally open a message and you want it to remain unread, then it's easy to fix. You just need to swap this line of correspondence to the right. You'll see a sign like this, and we click on it. And as you can see, this message is now unread. If we exit, we can see that we have two unread messages above the Messenger application. If I read one of them and exit, there's still one unread message. And when I swipe to the right, click on that sign. We now have two unread messages above the app again. So that's a pretty easy way to read your messages without opening them on your iPhone or marking them as unread. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments and give us your likes. See you later.